Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to take off a Chevy Malibu front bumper. First, gather your essential tools, including a trim removal tool, a ratchet, and a socket set. Next, safely lift the front of your Malibu using a jack and secure it firmly with jack stands. Then, locate and begin removing all the visible fasteners that secure the bumper cover to the vehicle's frame and wheel wells. Now, focus on the fender liners. Remove all the screws and plastic clips holding them in place on both the driver and passenger sides. After that, move to the grille area. You'll find additional fasteners, typically clips, along the top edge of the grille that need to be detached. Finally, carefully disconnect any electrical connectors for fog lights or sensors. With all fasteners removed, it's time for the final detachment. Gently but firmly pull the bumper cover away from the vehicle's sides, starting from the wheel well areas. Listen for the sound of clips releasing and ensure all tabs are free without forcing anything. Have a soft blanket or mat ready on the ground to safely place the bumper cover once it's fully detached. To reinstall, simply reverse the steps. Carefully align the bumper cover, ensuring all tabs and mounting points are correctly positioned before reattaching any fasteners. Don't forget to reconnect all electrical components for your fog lights and sensors, testing them before fully securing everything. For more great content and to check out the new Kindle Paperwhite, look for the link and other deals in the description below. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.